Hi, my name is Carl, and today I'm going to show you how to use strings in Minecraft. Using strings in Minecraft is really good, and it's a lot of fun because you can create tripwires, bows and arrows, and even fishing poles in the game. So in order to use string, first of all, I want to show you guys how to make a bow and arrow. All you have to do is get some sticks and put them in this shape on the screen, one in the top, one in the right, and one in the bottom. And then take your string that you get from spiders, it's basically spider web, and put it down along the left side. And there you see that it's created a bow. So I've already got a bow down here. I'm going to show you how to use that. You basically select the bow and then right click and hold to fire the bow. Now we'll create a fishing pole using string. All you do is take the sticks and go diagonally from the bottom left up to the top right and place 3 sticks. And then take your string and put them in the center right spot on the crafting table and the bottom right spot. And now you have a fishing pole. In order to use the fishing pole, you use it very similar to the bow and arrow. You just walk up to anywhere that there's water and press the right click on the mouse, and you will throw a lure out into the water. And you can actually catch fish using the fishing pole. Now, one of my favorite ways to use string is to create these hooks and use the string to create tripwires. And I've set this tripwire up with some redstone, and it's hooked up to a dispenser box. So I'm going to show you how to create a hook. You start with wooden planks and you put one in the bottom. Then you put an iron ingot at the top and a stick in the middle. And now you have a tripwire hook. And you place that tripwire hook anywhere that you'd like and make sure there's one on the other side. And then you place string on the ground. And now the tripwire is engaged. So anything that walks through this tripwire, let's see if I spawn some pigs here and see if they'll walk through it. They will walk through the tripwire, and anything that touches the tripwire can get shot with a bow and arrow out of the dispenser box, just like that. So you can set up traps with a tripwire and do a lot of fun things. My name is Carl, and today I showed you how to use strings in Minecraft. I hope that makes your Minecraft a lot more fun. Thanks for watching.